Like this.
Yun. Looks like yellow. Oh no, it's white. It's the white one again. Oh my gosh!
It's a white one with eyeballs.
That's so cute.
Do I have that one with the white one with the eyeball? Right?
Yeah.
Do we have this?
No, we don't. That is so cute. Let me see.
Wait, let me check in your room.
No, we don't have that yet.
Oh.
We have the red one.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Mama, are you gonna keep that in your car keys?
They're so cute.
Yeah, wait. If you have a Crocs that have a white Croc that has eyeballs, click like and subscribe. How do you close this?
Okay, give me.
Okay. You go to it. And we have other Crocs. Like other white one, another white one, and the red one with eyeballs.
So
But
cute.
we don't have the one with we don't have the white one with eyeballs.
Okay, eat your Happy Meal now. Mm.
Yes! We could collect our box.
Yeah.
If you want one of these, go to Happy Meals, go to McDonald's, then you will see these pups. These little pups. This is look like Noah at the Pepe. They look like at the Pepe. And thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe. And comment which one your favorite. Okay? Go to my mommy's channel and then comment which one's your favorite. Like it's the red one, like it's the white one. Okay?
Okay, go eat na your food, Baba. Cheers!